Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a dark silver metallic 2009 Chevrolet Impala LT, stock number A6961. This is in excellent shape. Coming across the hood, I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that's wrapped in a 16-inch iron Nana I Move tire. Inside there is a gray leather upholstery that's in fantastic condition. You've got seating for 2 up front and seating for 3 in the second row. And we'll take a quick look down the passenger side. And the reason that I'm showing you this Impala today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments. And then stepping inside to the left of the steering wheel, there are cruise control buttons. On the right side, you've got audio controls. There are driver information buttons. Coming up to the rear view mirror, this is equipped with OnStar. And then down to the center, you have a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. There are dual climate controls and buttons for heated front row seating. This is a 4-speed automatic transmission, and the engine is a 3.5-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 29 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Chevrolet or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.